Hey everyone, today I will show you how to buy a domain for less than $1. First, go to namecheap.com and log in your Namecheap account, or if you don't have any account, you just create one. When you go to login, you need to OTP from your email. I will writing my email OTP, then submit. I go to namecheap.com, then I go to domain list and I searching on, type any name you want, then add a cheap extension like one line store or site at the end. Pick on that's 98 cents or 99 cents, like that. I pick on, and also another on. If you can buy more domain and at the same time in same rate. And you saw that lot of tools here, it will be free for in a certain time, like that a month. If you want to using a month for free trial, you can do it. At the same time, I go to purchase, and I saw lot of payment method. I just choosing my preferable payment method. I using my balance because I add fund in before, so I using from my balance. If you don't have any balance, you can using your debit or credit card, and you are selecting terms and condition, then processing. Okay, that's good. I have an error because I don't select on option and terms condition, and right now processing my purchasing. We are waiting for some second. That's great. Complete my transaction and I got a domain. That's good. If you follow me, I will show you in my next video how can using in free hosting, and you just make a website less than $1.